Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're re-tackling a big question I get all the time. How do you learn to code, like, really fast? Maybe you've got a new job opportunity, a project idea you're dying to build, or you're just super impatient. Whatever the reason, you want to get from zero to programmer in record time. While there's no magic wand, there are definitely some powerful life hacks you can use to seriously speed up the process. So forget the traditional, slow-paced methods. We're going to dive into the fast track. First things first, you need to pick one thing. Just one. Don't try to learn Python, JavaScript, and C++ all at once. That's a recipe for burnout and confusion. My advice: choose a project-based language. For example, if you want to build websites, start with JavaScript. If you're into data science or AI, Python is your best friend. The key is to have a clear goal. Don't just learn to code for the sake of learning. Learn to build something specific. This single change in mindset will give you direction and make every single lesson feel more relevant and urgent. Okay, life hack number 2. Embrace the 80-20th rule, also known as the Pareto principle. This rule says that 80% of the results come from 20% of the effort. In programming, this is absolutely true. You don't need to know every single function or feature of a language to be effective. Focus on the core concepts that are used over and over again. These are things like variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Master these fundamentals and you'll be able to build 80% of what you want to build. You can always look up the obscure, less common stuff later. Don't get bogged down in memorizing every little detail. Focus on the high-impact 20%. Next up, and this one is crucial, you have to code every single day. I'm not saying you need to spend 8 hours a day coding, especially at the beginning. But you need to make it a daily habit, even if it's just for 15 to 30 minutes. Consistency is so much more powerful than cramming. A little bit of practice every day keeps the concepts fresh in your mind and builds momentum. It's like going to the gym. You see much better results working out for 30 minutes every day than you will from one monster 5-hour session once a week. This daily practice builds the muscle memory you need to become a fluent coder. Alright, here's a hack that might sound counterintuitive. Don't just watch tutorials. Break them. Seriously. When you're following a tutorial, don't just copy and paste the code. Type it out yourself. Once it's working, start experimenting. Change a value. Delete a line of code. Try to add a new feature. See what happens when it breaks. Your goal is to understand why the code works, not just that it works. Fixing your own broken code is one of the fastest ways to learn. It forces you to think critically and debug, which are the most important skills a programmer can have. This active learning approach is a game changer. My final life hack for learning code fast is to teach what you've just learned. You don't need to start a YouTube channel or a blog, although you could. You can simply explain a concept to a friend, a family member, or even your rubber duck. The act of explaining a topic forces you to organize your thoughts and solidify your understanding. If you can't explain it simply, you probably don't understand it well enough yet. This technique, known as the Feynman technique, is incredibly effective for identifying gaps in your knowledge and cementing what you've already learned. Try it. The next time you learn about a for loop, try explaining it out loud. It works wonders. So there you have it. 5 life hacks to accelerate your coding journey. Pick one project-focused language. Apply the 80-20th rule to master the fundamentals. Code every single day. Actively break and fix your code and teach what you learn. If you combine these strategies, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can progress. It's not about being a genius. It's about learning smart. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to level up your skills. Let me know in the comments which language you're learning. I'll see you in the next one.